Sister Aaishah, please come on the stage and deliver speech.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. My name is Aaishah Khatoon. I study in 3rd standard. I would like to thank my respected sir and Education Academy to giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Now, I am going to say the 3 best famous quotes that my respected sir says many times. The first one is the winner has a solution for every problem. The loser has a problem for every solution. The second one is everything is easy if you are crazy. The last one is winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Now I am ending my broken speech. Thank you so very much to all of you.